What are you doing, Dee Dee? You climbing? Hi, Angel. Yes, you're a good boy. You're a pretty boy. What can you do? Can you whistle for Bubba? Can you give a little whistle? Angel? Good boy. Can you give a little whistle? Are we shy? You don't have to be shy. Just act like you're pretty. Hi, Dee. Good boy. Good boy. I see ya. You can't always be the center of attention. It's Dee Dee and Angel. Yes, you're my babies. Yes, I know. I know, little birdies. There you go. Baby, Angel. Now what are you doing on this side? What do you want to say? Oh, I know. You're a good boy. Good boy. Oh, you like the TV. Yeah, you need toilet paper around here with birds. Constantly. Especially when they do it right in your hand. Not very nice, huh, Angel? Not very nice. No. Yes, I'm listening. Yes, good boy. Too close. Okay, go ahead. Say good boy. Good boy, Dee Dee. Yeah, I got a good boy over there. How about a good boy over here? Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy, Angel. Say good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Hi, Dee Dee. Let's listen to a satanic Scooby. Hey!
Happy holidays!
Happy holidays! Oh, yeah! Good boy, Angel. Hi, Nene. Hi, Nene. What are we doing? We're gonna serenade Maggie. Gotta tell her she's pretty. Or he. Still think it's a he, but you never know. That behavior tells me otherwise. That's why it's conflicted. Talks daily. Whistles daily. Sings identical to Dee Dee's whistle. That's an amazing female if it is. Yes, 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 yes. Amazing. I'm waiting for the egg. The egg will tell me. Yes. Time will tell. Or not. Hi there, Mr. D. Hi, Day Day. Hi, Angel. Angel. You're so cute. You're a